Today we're using privacy envelopes and book pages, actually our blotting book page, to make pockets for our journal. These are make-ahead projects that you can have ready for your Christmas journal or for other journals. Remember, you can just change the colors and the subject and you'll have a great project. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. And today we are going to make things using privacy envelopes and book pages. And then I have a variety of other little fun stuff here at the messy desk. So we are making items, trying to use items that you might have in your home, trying to make this a little different so that if you don't have Christmas scrapbook paper or that you can still play along. So remember, we've got the wrapping paper. So I do have that out. I do have one of the painted book pages. So remember when I was doing the book page, I went ahead and painted right on the book page, and I'm going to go ahead and make my favorite pocket right out of this book page. Okay, so I'm going to fold it here. I'm going to fold it. I'm actually going to make it a little bit bigger than I usually do because I don't want to waste the paint that I had done. So I think we'll go to right there, and you see we've got our, this is when I was painting, this is where I was blotting. Okay, so this is my blotting paper. And to do this, what I'm going to do is I go ahead, and this is going to be my top page. So I bring my glue down here, bring it across, and then I'm able to fold it, and then fold it, and that will come over and grab onto this page. Okay, so there I have a pocket using scrap, totally scrap. This was my painty page. So let's go ahead and pick out, oh my gosh, he looks like he was made to go there. So I'm going to go ahead and just put him on. These were just roughly cut out. I'm not gonna cut it to precision. I'm just gonna let it be. Okay, and there we have a decorated pocket. Okay, and it matches the things that I've been doing, and I love it. And of course, you can go ahead and add some bling. I like the bling dot dot dot. And this comes in the pieces so that I can go ahead and just pull those off just like that and attach it there. Very simple. We can go ahead and add more to it. I will go ahead and distress this real quick. So just using my vintage photo, don't need to do a whole lot to it. Okay, and this can be a pocket, it can be a pocket tuck, it can be a floating pocket. So it could have something in it that maybe you want to take through the whole journal. So there you go. That is a book page pocket. Ba-bam. Okay, so next we have privacy envelopes, and I'm gonna go ahead. I licked the the flap. Well, we'll just go ahead and use this along with itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and fold this up. Okay, fold this up like this. Okay, and we can go ahead and cut this open. And there we go. we can go ahead and put this on top of, you know what? This one has green on the inside, you guys. Let's dissect this envelope. Okay, so dissecting the privacy envelope. Pretty cool here. Dissect the privacy envelope. There we go. Turn it over and put it back together. Inside out. Okay, so the green side. And so we're going to go ahead and bring these sides in. Put glue on that. Put glue on this. Since we are still in Just Junk July, so just junk or items from around your house is what we're doing on the Dear Julie channel. And when we get closer to Christmas, I'll pull out the Christmas paper. Don't forget, all digital kits are still on sale in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. That's how I fund this, being able to do the videos and stuff here on my channel. But all of that is 50% off, and all of the Christmas kits are on sale for see, I'm gonna want to bring this up higher now, you guys, probably, because I want to use that envelope. What do you think? Okay. What we're going to do is kind of like a credit card style envelope here. And I'm sorry that I didn't totally have it. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Look at there. Okay, look at there. Yeah, we'll do that. And this. Okay, so we've got the green, and let's go ahead and put this up a little. You know what? I like that. Okay, I'm going to open this right here. I like these 3 lines on this side, as using that as part of the decoration. And I'm going to come down and just cut it down here. Okay, I might want it shorter even. Yeah, I want it a little shorter than that. Okay, so let's come in a little shorter. Okay, so there we go. And then we've got our washi tape that we've been using. I have so much washi tape, but this is all that I pulled out so far. Oh yeah, that cleans up that edge right there. And remember, you can make washi tape out of Scotch tape. You can make it using double-sided tape. You can just cut strips of your paper and make them into like washi tape. Okay, so we do need to distress this. It's very, very white. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to go around it, distress it. So I've had people tell me that they like the unedited videos. I would like to know your opinion. I've been taking several minutes out of videos of the part where I'm thinking or gluing, waiting for glue to dry. So let me know what you think about that. Would you want it left in? I'm going to go ahead and cut with my 1-inch circle punch. I'm going to cut right there so that you know that it's a pocket. It kind of helps to give it, I like the look that it'll give it. Okay, so just like that. And that means we need to go inside here and just give that a little touch up. Maybe go around the side here, around that. Okay. Oh my gosh, I really like this. Okay, so now we're gonna have this pocket here. Oh, we didn't open that yet. Let's open this pocket down here. Okay, so that's gonna give us a pocket. And this is gonna give us a pocket. So we're gonna want to attach this whole pocket to the you know what I'm going to do, because I like pockets and I cannot lie. I'm going to make a side pocket on this pocket. Now, one thing that does is it limits where I'll be able to put this into the journal. But I have my hand over here because that's where there's no glue. And I'm going to go ahead and just lay that down. Okay, so what we've got now is we have a pocket right here that we can put something in. We have this pocket here. Now we want to make sure that this is down really good, okay? Because when we're trying to put things in here, we don't want to struggle with that. Now you see over here, apparently I didn't, oh that's right. Oh my gosh, yeah, apparently I didn't glue that side. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so here we go. This is our next pocket, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put glue across the bottom here, and then across. Now this I'm going to come in a little bit and out a little bit so that there will be glue on both there. Oh, not on this side. Be careful over here, Julie. Okay, so you want to be your glue on this side. Could go ahead and put another pocket there. Go ahead and bring this side in. Okay. Okay, and then you can just plop that down. This is kind of really cool, really, really cool. So we have this little wallet pocket thing, and then we can open up this as well, and that's going to give us our third pocket. So we have other videos where we're making the embellishments, but this is going to give you, you know, like in a wallet where you have the place to put your credit cards. That's what this reminds me of. So on the one that we're making today, you're going to have a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here, and I'm going to add the pocket to the side as well. So we will be filling this with embellishments, but we have our book pocket, our book page pocket. You could make several of these and have them ready to just add your decorations, and to do them in a variety of sizes also, because you can do real skinny ones that are going to hold like a bookmark or something. And but these are really, really fun little pockets to have. And if you're making Happy Mail, you know, something like this with the items that you might be making, or even the items that you're sharing. So say you are sharing some tags, okay, or some little labels, okay, and you are sharing some post-it note, okay, and then maybe you've got a bunch of these tags, and we can all use some of these tags, so you're going to put some of those in there. And then, you know, you could have a strip of stickers or rubber stamps, or maybe even an embossing folder, and you're going to put that in that top pocket. Okay, so the one other thing, of course, we can decorate this area down here, and again, I will be doing that with the embellishments that we're going to be making. I just wanted to give you a couple of base ideas. Okay, so there's your base book page pocket and a privacy envelope pocket. Oh, I guess that gave us two. Well, there you go. You get 2 pockets there. But you can close that off and make it 1. Okay, I have a little place up here that got ripped just a little bit. So, there you go. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Tell it you want all notifications so you know when the next video comes up. But just in case we do have that schedule, we'll be here every day at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time with a new crafty video. Also, we have an embellishment playlist up here and an embellishment video. Both of them are Christmas, and so that'll give you something to go watch after this video, because when you go watch another video after you've watched one that you like, YouTube really likes that. It really helps my channel. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.